Hello, fellow SEO enthusiasts. Nat here from Serpwizz, and we are still doing our SEMRUSH series, talking about all of the tools that I offer. Currently, I'm using a free trial account because I understand that not everyone would want to or is okay with signing up for a paid subscription right away without knowing what's in it for them. So, yeah, right now I'm using a free trial account, but we will be able to go through all of these tools, although some with limited functionalities or access, but still we'd be able to get a glimpse of what they look like and what they do. And today we're focusing on, or we have finished actually this part right here, and today we are going to be talking about one of the link building tools, which is Backlink Analytics. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what this tool is all about. As you can see, I am already on the page where the tool is at, and it says here that Backlink Analytics is used to quickly evaluate and compare link profiles in depth, and it uses the largest and most up-to-date backlink checker on the market, and that is something that you can really expect from SEMRUSH, knowing just how amazing and vast their resources are. So let's go ahead and see just some of this information below. So checking backlinks accurately for nearly any website, and then also it is the fastest backlink discovery tool, which gives you a very high reliability authority score. So according to SEMRUSH, their authority score metric is based on the most authoritative data sources such as links and traffic. And then over here you are given the opportunity to discover every detail about your and your competitors' backlinks. So what I really like about these tools, or the way SEMRUSH works, is that you're not only going to be focusing on your site, but you're also seeing a lot of your competitors. So that gives you an edge, because then you would be able to tell which of their content or maybe websites or web pages are thriving and what's driving the most traffic, so that you could be able to relate those with what you do and how you work around on your SEO performance, so that you'd be able to eventually surpass them, or do things better than they are currently doing. And then here you could conduct deep link analysis, and then next, another competitors feature, you'd be able to delve into your competitors' marketing and PR strategies. Wow, so that's amazing, and I'm very excited to try out this tool. So let's go ahead and do it. So as always, I'm just gonna be using Serpwizz's domain, and let's click on Analyze. So here we go. We're now brought over to a dashboard. So this is what SEMRUSH's dashboard looks like, and as you can see here, we have a live update and there are 15 backlinks found today. So this is like an overview of the results that we're getting from our domain. As you can see, there's referring domains, backlinks, new and lost referring domains, new and lost backlinks, categories of referring domains, top anchors, as well as all these results right there. So there's a lot of blues. And here we have, what is TLD? Breakdown of referring domains by their top level domain. So TLD is top level domain, and then top countries as well. So you can see it's not just all numbers, but there's quite a lot of visual interpretations as well, and that's great because not everyone is fond of numbers, guilty, and seeing all of these graphs give you like a better interpretation of the trends, of the different trends that these results have made. So I'm just gonna click so that you can see there are a lot of tabs right here, and I'm just gonna click on to backlinks, and these are different results altogether. Backlink type, so text, backlink on text is the leading form of backlink type, and then link attributes, backlinks right here showing all the websites where Serpwizz is or Serpwizz has a backlink. And then if you want to view more results, you would get a free pro trial, because right now we're just using a free trial. It's not a free pro trial. So those are two very different things. But all in all, we were able to utilize the tool, although with limitations, but still we got to see how the results would look like, and what or how we can utilize the tool per se. So you can see here, everything is available to be exported to a much more accessible file type, so that you won't have to open up the tool every time you need to view the results as well. So that is it for backlink analytics. We'll be doing a lot more. Next one is backlink audit, and then these ones as well. And yeah, we just want to thank you all for watching and tuning in to all of these tutorial videos, or tutorial/review videos that we have been making, and see you on the next one.